In this video, I will show you how to add arrows in Google Slides. There are total 3 methods to add arrows in Google Slides. Let's get started. In the first method, if you are writing a text, then click on the text box, draw a text box and go up to the insert option, and you will see here the option of special characters. Inside this special characters, you can just go to the arrows option here, and you can see many different arrows. Just click on them to insert them in Google Slides. Next method is also easy. You will see here the option select line. Click on this downward triangle and select arrow. Now remember, if you directly draw an arrow, it will be difficult to draw a straight arrow. But if you press shift on your keyboard and then draw the arrow will be always straight. You can now customize the arrow by changing the color, thickness of the arrow, and if you want a dotted arrow, then you can do that too. Last method is also easy. Just click on the shapes, click on arrows, and you will see different types of arrows. But the interesting thing is, when you draw an arrow, you can customize this arrow by changing the color, border color of the arrow, changing the thickness of the border like this, and also you can type inside the arrow, then select the text, and you can also change the color of the text. You can make it bold and center align the text in arrow shape. If you want to increase the font size, then you can do that also. You can also change the height and width of the arrow shape like this, or you can also rotate the shape if you want to. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about Google Slides. Comment below and let me know if this video helped you. See you again in the next video.